This is a bird and a tree. The bird is little, it is red. It is in the tree. The tree is green. The bird is pink. This is a cat. It is black. It is behind the tree.
好好念。
Look at the cat's home. Look at the cat's teeth. Look at the bread. This is a story of the bird and the bread. The bird is in the tree. It is singing. The cat is behind the tree. It is look at the bird. A boy is on the bicycle. He is eating an ice cream. A man is sitting down. He is reading a book. A man is cleaning a lamp. He is standing on the ladder. He is holding a bucket of water. His dog is sitting down. Their dogs are in the river. A road is near the river. A shop is beside the road. The car is on the road. The bird is in the tree. It is not saying. It is look at the bread. The bird is not in the tree. It is near the tree. It is eating the bread. The cat is look at the bird. The cat ran to the bird. The bird is not eating the bread. It is look at the cat. The cat jump. The cat's mouth is open. Look at the cat's teeth. It is not checking the bird. It is not eating the bird. The bird is holding the bread. The dog is not sitting down. It is standing up. It is look at the cat. Look at the dog teeth. The cat is round. The dog is round. The man is not cleaning the lamp. He is not standing on the ladder. Look at his arm. Look at his legs. He is not holding a bucket. His hat is not on his head. Look at the bucket. It is on the man's head. Look at the water. Look at his face. He is holding a book. He is not reading. The man is standing up. He is looking. He is taking the back of his bicycle. The boy is not smiling. He is not holding his ice cream. The boy is in the water. Ice cream is in the water. His bicycle is under the water. The boy is not smiling. He is very happy. Look at the man. Look, the man is in the water. He is in the mud of the middle of the river. He has is on the side of the river. The ducks are not on the river. They are near the road. They are running. Look at the duck. They are on the road. They are in front of the car. The car is on the left side of the road. It is going to the wreck. There is a shop on the wreck side of the road. Look at the car. It is going to the shop. Look at the shop. Look at the car. There are apples on the road. There are some pears on the road. There are some oranges on the road. There are some bananas on the road. There are 2 peppers on the car. There are 3 oranges under the car. The man in the shop is shouting. The woman in the shop is speaking into the telephone. There is a policeman behind the car. He is writing in his book. He is writing the man's names. The man in the car is very unhappy. The cat is sitting on the wall. The dog is jumping up. The cat is unhappy. The man is sitting on the seat. His books is on the seat. His is not reading. He is holding his head. He is unhappy. The boy is sitting by beside the water. His bicycle is in the water. His ice cream is in the water. He is unhappy. The policeman is shutting his book. The man in the car is unhappy. The man in the shop is putting up the orange and the apple and the pears and the bananas. He is unhappy. This man is sitting side of. The man is standing beside the river. There is water in his head. He is unhappy. The bird is in the tree. Where is the bread? Is in the bird. The bird is singing. It is happy. An apple, an bananas, a bicycle, a bird, bag, a book, a boy, bread, a bucket, a car, a cat, clinic, a dog, a duck, eating. A face, green, a hat, an ice cream, jump, a ladder, a lamp, a lake, a man, a mouth, an orange, a prize, a policeman, reading, red, a road, run, a seat, a shop, shouting, sink, sitting down, smelling, sailing up, a tail, thief, a telephone, a tree, unhappy, walking, a wall, water, a woman, riding. Behind the tree, beside the tree, in the tree, near the tree, on the seat, under the tree, in front of the tree, in the middle of the tree, in left side of the tree, in right side on the right side of the tree.